Hello, in this video, I will introduce all my family members. Before that, let's look at the following picture. Okay, from the first picture, there was my grandfather and grandmother. My grandfather named Sabaruddin and my grandmother named Rohani. My grandfather was born in 1938 and he died when he was 83 years old. And then my grandmother was born in 1940 and she died 5 years ago. My grandfather and my grandmother have two boys. The first is my father and the second is my uncle. Let's look at the picture again. My father named Iman. He was born in 1960. He is a tailor in his daily life. He married my mother named Amy. My mother was born in 1970. My mother has a job as a housewife. Next, my father and mother have four children. First is Nia, she is my first sister. Second is Tika, she is my second sister. Third is Nabila, she is my third sister. Then I am the fourth child in this family and one guy. My first sister named Nia. She was born in 1992. He is currently working as a private tutor. She graduated from my graduate. He married my brother-in-law named Yao. She has three children. The first, Rafa, he was my first niece. Rafa was born in 2020. Then his second child was Aisyah. She was born in 2022. And his third child is Alisa. He was born in 2023. Aisyah and Alicia are my niece from my first sister. Then there is my second sister named Tika. She currently works as a radio announcer. She was born in 1995. She married my brother-in-law named Vino. She only has a girl named Alpha. She is my niece from my second sister. Then there is my third sister named Nabila. She was born in 1998. At this time, she worked selling chicken in the market. He married my brother-in-law named Robbie, and she has two children. The first child named Farrell and the second child named Ashila. Then henceforth it is my uncle. My uncle was born in 1995. 100, 960, 1965. For my uncle Ward is he sell rice work in his residence. He is the only one of my father and of my uncle. He married my aunt named Huleni. My aunt was born in 1970. She helped my uncle selling daily. The both have two children. The first child is Hazel, and the second child is Rini. Hazel was my male cousin, and Rini has a female cousin. Maybe just a video from my family genealogy explanation. Thank you for watching and see you later.